This is what we have going on for today's project. We just have to apply decals on both sides of the vehicle, and this is the actual design. I'm gonna make a copy of it so that I can explain how we're going to combine the different layers of vinyl. The first one, or the main one, is gonna be the black, and then we have the registration marks that you can see here. That's one, and then this is another one. I've already applied them to each color, so I'm gonna move them so that I can show you better. Since this will be the first layer of vinyl, we're going to take care of this one first, and then we're going to apply the red color. We're going to try to do the best we can to align the registration marks, and then after that we're going to do the last one. And basically this is all we have to do. Very simple project, honestly. I still don't know the measurements. Once the customer gets here, we're going to measure the window, the height, and then the width. Another thing I have to mention is that right now it's 6 p.m. So we only have about 2.5 hours to get this project done. I'm gonna be using the Oracle 651 vinyl, and this is the vinyl cutter that we're gonna use, the Graphtex E 6060 24-inch vinyl cutter. If you cannot afford getting one of these vinyl cutters, another option or more affordable option is the Cameo 4, which is a 12-inch vinyl cutter, and also the Cameo 4 Pro, which is a 24-inch vinyl cutter. And this is how we align this vinyl. Even though the project is kind of small, I'm still gonna make sure to align it. I just pull the vinyl to the front and then send it, and just see how much the vinyl moves. It has to stay in the same position. It barely moved, so I think we can work with that. If you're wondering about the size for the decal, like the whole thing measures about 20 inches. It's actually 19.5 wide by almost 15 inches tall. And now I'm gonna send it, and I don't know if I mentioned the settings before, but offset 0, speed 38, acceleration 1, cut force 15. And now I'm gonna go ahead and send it. Even though we aligned the vinyl, I'm still gonna keep an eye on this vinyl cutter in case the vinyl gets stuck or something happens to it. You never know. You always wanna keep an eye on it. By the way, if you are liking this episode, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Remember that if you would like to support this channel, we also have memberships available. All you have to do is just go to the join button to see all the options available. Thank you for your support. We are ready. Now I'm gonna cut the vinyl, and after this we gotta cut the next layer, which is the red. After that, then we can start weeding this out. And this is the last color. We decided to cut every single layer of vinyl before we weed out the black color, which is what we have to do next. We're gonna start by getting rid of the biggest weed box that we have. And you may notice that we are gonna have some challenges with the cut force, which is not a big deal. And we're gonna start with this section, the top section. Just gonna do it carefully. This is all we do. We just press down with the fingers. Very easy. And this is why we added the weed boxes, especially when we face challenges like this. Imagine if we had to weed out the whole thing. This is probably the only challenge. This is the only section that has like a lot of small details. What I did here, I added this little rectangle. This is like the exact center of the image. This should make the process a lot easier. I want to give you guys an idea of the original image, and I used ChatGPT to fix the image or make it a little bit more vinyl cutter friendly. In case you guys want to check out those videos, I'm going to leave one at the end of this episode so you guys can check out how we do, or how we use ChatGPT to fix logos like that. We're going to weed out the yellow color. This is the smallest section of the project. We still got to be careful though. Usually like the smaller pieces or smaller sections give you more headaches than the bigger ones. All the layers of vinyl, yellow, red, two for each color. Now the next step is to apply the transfer on the decals. We're going to be using the art tape, Clear Choice AT75.1. This is high-tech transfer. This is like probably one of the best transfers for normal surfaces. Now, if you're going to be working on glass or windows, for that, we recommend the paper transfer. I'm going to leave the name of it here on the screen. But this one is the art tape AT75.1. We are ready to start applying the decals, and we have all of them. They're ready to be applied with transfer and everything. So let's head out. Before we apply the decals, we're gonna make sure to clean the surface. I'm gonna use Rapid Tag to make sure that we get rid of all the dust and the dirt. First of all, we're gonna place the decal, and we're gonna use the magnets, try to center it, and this is the middle point, so I can just measure. All right, so this is where we're gonna apply the decal, and we're gonna use the cutting knife to get rid of the backing paper, and we're gonna do a dry application. First, we're gonna cut backing from here. If you guys can see, if you get up close, you can see that the paint is not probably in the best shape. I'm gonna be very careful when I remove the backing or the transfer, because we are using a high-tech. That the adhesive is a little bit strong, or could be rough on the paint if you pull it too hard. So be really careful if you are using this type of transfer. What you can also do, apply some Rapid Tag on top of it before you remove it, but I don't think we need to do that right now. Everything's coming off really nicely. Nice. We're gonna apply the red layer of vinyl, and we're gonna use a little bit of Rapid Tag. It's not as hot as it was earlier. And we have the registration marks here. We're going to combine one first. When you have really small details, you gotta be careful when aligning those registration marks, but I think we got them. I'm going to try to remove the transfer. We just applied it, the red layer. So we're gonna be really careful. Now we're gonna do the yellow color. I'm gonna let Luis handle that. He's the youngest, he can see better. All right guys, so we're finally finished with the whole project. This is the driver's side, and let me go to the other side so that you guys can see what we did. Basically the same thing on this side here. It looks like work season is finally here. We have several new projects coming in. In case you are wondering where we're getting our new customers from, the answer is Facebook. We advertise our services on local groups, and we do it at least twice a day, and I recommend you do the same thing. This is it for this episode. Remember, if you liked it, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. If you need to get any materials or equipment, make sure to get them through our website. That is www.rdidecals.com. Thank you for your support.